Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to turn off Instagram calls or stop Instagram calls or disable or block Instagram calls. If you want to stop or turn off or disable or block Instagram audio or voice and video calls, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Instagram. After that, choose and open your Instagram account. In this time I can show fast process how to turn off or disable or stop or block Instagram calls. So let's see. After that, right top corner three button option, click on it. Scroll down. After that, choose and open notifications. Scroll down. So in this you can choose and open calls, open it. Video chats, after that you can see off. So in this you can choose off. After that, in this here, click on it. Turn off call notifications. If you turn off call notifications, you may not see incoming calls. After that, choose turn off, click on it. And in this way you can easily disable or turn off or stop Instagram calls. And Instagram I can show second process. So let's see. After that, go back. After that, go to your Instagram messages. You can see my Instagram messages. So Instagram can choose and open any conversation. After that, in this here, click on it. After that, you can choose mute, click here. Notifications, you can see mute messages, mute calls. So Instagram you can choose mute calls. After that, click on it. Mute calls for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours until I change it. So Instagram you can choose your need option. I can choose until I change it. You can see in this I can easily turn off or disable or stop Instagram calls. And Instagram I can show third process or third method. So let's see. If you want to block Instagram calls, block Instagram audio or voice calls, block Instagram video calls, so let's see. After that, you can see three dot line options, click here. You can see restrict, block, report. So in this you can choose block option, click on it. After that, choose block, click here. In this way you can easily block or disable or stop or turn off Instagram audio, voice or video calls. In this time I can show fourth process. So let's see. In this time I can show fourth process or fourth method. So minimize it and go to your Instagram app. After that, Instagram app, tap on please. After that, in this here, click on it. Choose and open permissions. After that, choose and open call logs. Choose don't allow. You can see in this time I can choose don't allow. After that, go back. Open camera. Choose don't allow. After that, choose and open microphone. Choose don't allow. After that, choose and open phone. Choose don't allow, click on it. And in this way you can easily turn off or disable or stop or block Instagram audio or voice and video calls. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.